Hi, my name is Abby Church. I am in McPherson, Kansas, which is a small town in central Kansas. I've lived here about 7 years now. I am currently one of the assistant directors for our early childhood program for our school district, and I have a background in early childhood education and have held different various roles and responsibilities within the realm of early childhood. I currently oversee different aspects and areas of our program, as when one of those being coaching and professional development training. And so that's kind of a little about me. When I first read the terms hypertext and hypermedium, I honestly wasn't for sure what the definition was of those terms. After I did research those, I gained a very much more better understanding of the definition of those, and it was good to know that I had already started using those. So in both of those terms within our professional development training, so like with the hypertext, connecting links when we are doing creating professional databases, so where it's easier access to the teachers, when we're doing presentations with using hypermedium, creating attaching videos and different audio when we're helping with some of this materials for our little kiddos. And so it's good to know that although I didn't understand those terms quite yet, or the specific terms of them, that I hopefully have a baseline knowledge of it, but I am excited to learn more and how I can utilize both of those concepts in future professional development trainings and with our staff to help with our littlest of little students. So I look forward to working with you all in the next 8 weeks, and it's nice to meet you.